So why do we learn HTML? What is purpose of learning HTML? And we all know that web technology is based on HTTP protocol, and HTTP protocol uses HTML as a base language. So basically HTML stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is used to create web pages in web development. So any browser, whatever you can see in a browser, that is basically HTML, because all browsers are designed in a way to render HTML pages, and one page can link with another page using hyperlinks, and that's why we call it web. Because you can see, you can go on a page and click a link and you will be redirected to the another page, then you will be redirected to the another page, and that's why this model is called web model. So let's have a look on web pages. Let me start the browser, and the very first thing you can see is address bar. So you can type any web address in address bar like www.google.com. Even I did not type HTTP, you can see HTTP here. It means that this page is loaded using HTTP protocol. So like if you type something wrong like ftp colon www.google.com, nothing will load, because only HTTP request can be sent using browser, and that's why you can see HTTPS before domain name. So this is how we can load a web page in browser. And as a developer, we need to check that what is loaded in browser. So let's see, and here you can see the very first element we have is doc type, and then we have HTML tag, then head, then body. So this is what required to create a web page. Let me load a page which is created by me, local 70. So you can see the very basic web page is loaded here, and if we check what is loaded by browser, you can see doc type, HTML, head and body. So you can see both pages are similar, like we have doc type, then HTML element, then head, then body, and similar we have in a simple page as well. So this is what required to create a web page. First you need to add document type, then HTML element, and inside HTML element you can add head and body. So if we check here under head tag, we can see many elements, and those are related to the web page, related to the like metadata related to the web page, links, style sheet and JavaScript. But here you can't see anything because I haven't added anything extra related to the web page. So but this is the basic structure what is required to create a HTML page. And let's see how can we create a web page using a editor. Let me open VS Code, and if you are familiar with Visual Studio Code, VS is almost similar. So I like VS Code for HTML programming and JavaScript and CSS, because this is lightweight and very much similar to Visual Studio, and that's why this is my favorite. But you can use any other editors like Sublime or Notepad++ according to your choice. So let me create the first file, and you can see it's all created with default extension. So we need to change extension back to the right one. Let me type index and HTML. So our first file is created, and as we already discussed, the very first element of this page should be doc type. So I added doc type, and after that we need HTML, and inside HTML we need two tags, head and body. So body tag, and inside body you can add any element as per requirement, but right now I am just going to add h1, my demo page, and one paragraph. I am learning coding today, and under head tag you can add like title, demo page, and this is how our first page is created. Let me open in browser, so you can see local host and index.html. So you can see whatever I added in VS Code is loaded in browser. We can check source code, and you can see document type HTML, head and body. Let me change title, so I updated all those informations. We can refresh and see my demo page 1, and I am learning HTML today. So this is how we created our first page, and as much as element we want we can add here as per our requirement. This is just for demo, but we learned how to create HTML page using VS Code. Hope you understood, and in next video we will learn about all other elements of HTML. Till then, keep learning. Bye for now.